Happy holidays from all of us at Winda Fireworks. As we reflect on 2024, we want to thank each of you for your support, patience, and understanding. It was a challenging year for production, but together we made it through. Looking ahead to 2025, we're excited to share some great news. With extended warehouse space, increased stock levels, and fantastic production fill rates, we're more ready than ever to make this upcoming season a success. We're also thrilled to showcase highlights from this year's NFA and PGI events. Your passion for fireworks continues to inspire us. Here's to a bright and spectacular 2025. Thank you for being a part of our wonderful family. Happy holidays!